Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can upload CapCut videos into YouTube. So in here, I've already opened my projects on the CapCut PC, and you can start by exporting the project. After you edit it, you can just click on export in here, and then just wait until the exporting process is finished. This channel. So on today's video, I'm going to so now the exporting process is finished. You can see this is the video, and if you want to upload it into YouTube, you can click on this YouTube options and it will be open the YouTube studio. Now you can just click on select files and then choose the file that you already export before. Tap on open, and now the video will be downloading. Now you can just write the description, playlist, add some video, adjust the video elements, and here you can also do the checking, visibility, and if you want to choose to schedule it, you can click on this drop down. If you want to directly public it, hey guys, welcome back with me. Click on this public and click on publish. So that's how you can upload CapCut videos into YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click